Nigga.
This is the moment I've been waiting for. What you mean you don't want to hurt me today? You don't want to get hurt today. That big Grand Coupe, you know, it's too heavy. 805. 8's bigger, but 8's also heavier. I'm gonna poke him though. Don't try to take off. Don't try to zoom past me. He trying to zoom past the nigga and shit. You on the highway? Where's the highway? That's Papa 1K, y'all. If y'all did not know, that is Pop's 1K. And we just doing a little drive, nothing too crazy. Give us this. And we shall, and I shall have this dance. Oh, fuck. Fuck! I wanted that light. It's cool, we'll just chill. We chilling. He's smoking a little cigarette and shit. I thought he was gonna put the cigarette back out the window. Calm little drive, nothing too crazy. We got both the comps out today. That made an M5, man. Just enjoying them. Probably my last video of them together for the end of the year. I don't know, man. They might be going away soon, man. I don't know. Might be trading them in for something new, man. I love them to death. Look at the Ranger. Look at the Ranger. Look at the Ranger. He was trying to get over in front of me and shit. I ain't going for that. Them a lot of chairs, boy. A lot of chairs. 0 to 60, who y'all got? On paper, it's gonna be this car, but I'm telling y'all right now, it just depends on the driver, bro. Whoever drives it the best is gonna win. That's just kind of how it is, bro. Oh yeah, we getting on the highway. We about to get on the highway. I wish my Waze at work. I don't know why my Apple CarPlay not working, bro. That might be an issue, gang. Boy, you see that? Why would you get over here knowing that this lane about to end, bro? It's always the motherfuckers with like shit hanging up on their dashboard. Like, what are you doing? It's always the motherfuckers with shit hanging up on their dashboard. And then the Jeeps with the ducts. If you got a Jeep and they got hella ducts on the dashboard, you just need to go ahead and rip all them shits out and throw them shits in a plastic bag and take the bag and bury that bitch far, far, far away from civilization, nigga. I'm trying to get a better view of this M8. He driving like a little simp. Driving like a little simp. I can barely see that bitch. That bitch can barely get out. That bitch can barely get out. That big ass car. That bitch long as fuck. I say that every time I drive it. Like, that car long as shit. Fuck with it though. I fuck with it though. Get over and hit the gas. So I can show you why the M5 is the king of M's. What is this? What are you doing? Move! All up in the way and shit. Grandma, 2 hands on the wheel. You already know how it is. She's scared. he got stuck in traffic. Damn. Come on, Pops. What are you doing? Alright, 5 minutes later, he made his way out of traffic. He figured it out. So we just hit the big highway. Let me turn my shit up. I was chilling. I think he want to play now. We're a little closer to home now. Come on. Come on. Okay. 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 We're warmer. I'm gonna wait for him. I'm gonna wait for him. I'm gonna wait for him. This fucking Fusion. Why you riding my bumper? You fucking. I ain't even gonna cuss you out. I ain't even gonna say that. Cause you know what it is. I don't know, man. He must be sleepy or something. He driving like a pedestrian. I wonder if I can put anti-lag. I probably could. I have never seen an F5 with anti-lag. Is it even possible? Let me go for anti-lag option on the V8 competitions. You know. Make sure ain't no cop over there. So, what you call it? How the fuck did that happen? Oh, this the bridge. Please hit it, because if you don't, I will. Is he getting bullied by a Mustang? Oh! Yo! There's a Honda coming fast as fuck. Damn! Oh no, he just, bro, is that a Mustang, bro? Oh yeah! Yeah, get him, Pops! Ah, get that nigga! No! Did he just walk you? Oh no. Nah. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. Oh nah, you ain't gonna walk my MA like that. You ain't walking my MA like that. I'm finna do it to your ass. I'm finna do it to your ass. Really finna do it to your ass. Where you going? You can't go nowhere. Slow ass shit. That slow ass shit. Blinkers on you, fuck nigga. Blinkers on you, fuck nigga. Blinkers on you, fuck nigga. Yeah. You can't run from no comp, nigga. Had to get ignorant on his ass. Had to get ignorant on his ass. Had to show that nigga what it is. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for Pops now. I cut this person off. They about to be mad as fuck. What? I had to chase that guy. I had to chase the guy. The guy. The guy in the Mustang. I gotta get over. pussy. Not. But now he wanna talk. Yeah. No. No! I'm gay! Oh shit! Yo, them turbos in that inlay is crazy. Oh my god. The turbos on that inlay is crazy. Wow. Damn. Them bitches sound, all I can hear is them turbos. All I can hear is the turbos on that bitch. I'm gonna drift this intersection. I'm gonna drift that motherfucker. Oh, the Cybertruck over here at this light. It's the Cybertruck at this light. Nah, I was fucking. No. Fuck, I'm gonna slide this bitch anyway. Fuck you looking at, bitch? Why everybody so looking at me? I know I'm driving like an asshole, but like, you don't gotta look at me. Cybertruck. Yeah, we finna bully this Cybertruck. Well, why he stop at this light? You want this light? Did you want this light? Oh no, you didn't want this light? Alright, cool. I'm just making sure. There's one cool Cybertruck, and oh shit, there was another one, but he's gone. Oh yeah, how you like that, Tesla? How you like that one, Tesla?